Ecosystem, Class 12th. Ecosystem can be characterized as a system which is very dynamic, having both the living and non-living organism interacting with each other. There are many ecological systems present in the nature. Basically, they can be categorized as terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial, in which the organisms are living on the land, while aquatic, where they are living in water. Yummy! Just see the cake pieces. When it is whole, you cannot see all these layers. But now you can see all the layers in the vertical section of this cake piece. Similarly, earth, if you are doing the vertical section of this earth, then it is known as stratification. And all these layers are known as strata, which are very important for the survival of living organisms on this earth. The most important components are productivity, decomposition, flow of the energy, and the nutrient cycle. The soil is having not only the ingredients just to provide nourishment to the plant, but certain layers which make it stable. The bottom piece consisting of the rocks, while subsoil and topsoils are present having the humus. Decomposition is a very important process in the process of development because it provides the nutrient cycle. There is a difference between detritus and garbage. Detritus made up of all that litter that fall from plants, animals, etc. While the garbage are your wrappers and other substances. These detritus, they broke into first of all fragments. That process is called fragmentation. And all the dissolved substances, they are absorbed by the soil by the process of leaching. The remaining parts of the body are utilized by the bacteria and fungi by the process of catabolism. This will result in the formation of a substance called the humus, which provides nutrients to all the organisms present on that soil, depending on that soil, especially the producers. This process of decomposition is very important to bring the nutrient cycle. The following diagram or the picture is showing you how the leaf from the tree, they are falling, and either they are utilized by the animals or they are directly changing into the litter where they are decomposed by the bacteria and the fungi. Then all the organic substances is being converted into the inorganic substances and released into the soil. This cycle always utilizes the two laws of thermodynamics. One, that is, energy can neither be created nor can be destroyed. Similarly, whenever there is a conversion of the energy from one form to the another, it is always releases some heat. Here, the radiant energy is converted into the chemical energy